Fields here on the right hand side. It's a pain to get into. We got worse though. Sit right here on the road because he's gonna come back out on the road. Or maybe not. Maybe he's gonna keep on going. Barely got the field opened up and he's almost full. Alright, so it is Sunday, October 8th. Nice sunny Sunday morning, and grain carting it today. Reason that I'm not getting an upload to you guys until now is because it rained Thursday and Friday. Yesterday he didn't get in the field until about 3 o'clock. It was only a 24-acre field, so we were not in the field for very long. So I decided, you know, day's almost over. I'll just go ahead and I'll get an upload out to you guys today, because we're starting in the morning. Brand new day. We're starting first thing this morning, and I'll be able to get footage of us shelling from this morning until, you know, later on in the day, versus only just getting a couple clips out and a short video. So yep, as you can see, I'm grain carting it today. Probably going to be in the combine next weekend. Weekend before, when I uploaded the video of me shelling, that was me in the combine, sisters in the grain cart. So went ahead and decided to give it up and let somebody else run it for a little bit. You know, can't be selfish when it comes to running the combine. Everybody wants to run the combine. So yeah, today we're gonna be in the grain cart for most of the day and try not to spill any corn, and hopefully today goes smooth. So yeah, let's get this day started. Alright guys, so this is the first load into the truck. You guys haven't seen our grain cart setup. We got ourselves a nice handy dandy camera right here. See the inside of the tractor, or the truck. Kilbro's grain cart. And it's hooked up to our 8400 that we use for planting. Alright guys, so I'm in the combine again. Wasn't expecting to get in here today. It's in the grain cart. Then I was told to start shelling corn, so I'm just doing as I'm told. Realized I didn't really record a whole lot of grain carting, but figured the ride along in the combine would be a bit more entertaining. So I plan on getting more grain cart footage here next couple times I come home to help. So far this stuff's running about 216 bushels. A little on the wet side, but again, this corn's going to the bins still, so we got enough storage for 60,000. So we still got a little bit to go. Oh, just keep on shelling and see how things go. Alright guys, so my truck that was here got full. And I got word from Dad that we're having technical difficulties at the grain system. So I'm gonna fill up the grain cart, fill up the combine, and then head home and figure out what the deal is. So afraid I'm gonna have to cut this one short on this one, guys. So I appreciate all the views, appreciate all the feedback. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next go around.